Welcome back to Smart Dollar Mindset, the channel where we talk about financial freedom, smart money habits, and building wealth through intentional choices. Today's video is all about one of the oldest and most famous budgeting systems in the world, the envelope system. If you've ever heard of stuffing cash into envelopes labeled groceries, gas, fun, or savings, then you know the system I'm talking about. It's simple. It's physical. And for decades, it has helped millions of people control their money instead of letting their money control them. But here's the big question: does the envelope system still work in 2025? After all, we're living in a nearly cashless society. Most people use debit cards, credit cards, or digital wallets. So, is the envelope system outdated, or can it still change your financial life? Stick with me, because we're going to break this down step by step. We'll cover where the envelope system came from, how it works, why it's so powerful, the limitations it has today, and modern twists that keep it relevant. By the end, you'll know whether this system is worth trying, and exactly how to use it if you do. The origin of the envelope system. The envelope system has been around for generations. It's not new, flashy, or complicated. In fact, its simplicity is what makes it so effective. Historically, when people got paid, they would withdraw their entire paycheck in cash. Then they would divide that money into envelopes labeled by category: rent, groceries, transportation, entertainment, savings, and so on. The rule was simple: once the envelope was empty, you were done spending in that category until the next paycheck. This method forced discipline. It made spending limits visible. It prevented overspending on wants because the money was physically gone. And it gave people peace of mind, knowing their bills and essentials were covered first. Step 1. Understand the power behind it. Why has this system worked for so long? It comes down to two powerful forces: visibility and accountability. When you swipe a card, it's abstract. You don't feel the money leaving your wallet. But when you hand over cash from an envelope, you feel it. You see the pile shrink. That physical act creates awareness. Accountability comes from limitation. If your dining out envelope has $200 and you spend it in 2 weeks, that's it. You either wait until the next month or sacrifice from another category. It forces tough but smart choices. Real life example. A family in Ohio cut their overspending by $400 a month just by switching to cash envelopes for groceries and restaurants. Why? Because before, they'd swipe a card and not notice. But when they had $600 in the food envelope, they stretched it carefully. Step 2. How to set it up. If you want to try the envelope system, here's the step-by-step process. List your monthly categories. These should include fixed expenses like rent and variable ones like food or gas. Decide the budget for each category. Example: $1,200 rent, $600 groceries, $300 gas, $200 entertainment. Withdraw cash for variable categories. Fixed bills like rent are often paid digitally, but groceries, gas, and personal spending can be cash. Label envelopes. Write groceries, gas, dining out, entertainment, and so on. Stuff the envelopes. Put the exact budgeted cash into each. Spend only from envelopes. No cheating. If the envelope is empty, you stop spending. Step 3. The strengths of the envelope system. Why do people swear by this method? It prevents overspending. You can't spend what isn't there. It's easy to understand. No spreadsheets or apps required. It builds awareness. You see your spending habits clearly. It builds discipline. You think twice before handing over cash. Powerful transition. The envelope system isn't just about money, it's about behavior. It's a psychology hack. It trains your brain to respect limits and prioritize what really matters. Step 4. The limitations. But here's the problem. We live in a digital world. Most bills are paid online. Most purchases are made with cards. Carrying cash everywhere is inconvenient and sometimes unsafe. So, does that make the envelope system outdated? Not necessarily. But it does mean we need to adapt it. Step 5. Modern twists on the envelope system. Today, you don't need physical envelopes to get the same results. There are digital alternatives that work just as well. Bank accounts as envelopes. Open multiple accounts for categories like bills, savings, and spending. Automate transfers to each account. Prepaid debit cards. Load specific amounts for categories like groceries or entertainment. Once the balance is gone, it's gone. Budgeting apps. Tools like YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Good Budget replicate the envelope system digitally. They let you assign dollars to categories. Example, a young couple in California uses Good Budget to divide $4,000 of monthly income into virtual envelopes. They track every expense in the app. As a result, they've paid off $15,000 of credit card debt in 2 years. Step 6. Combining envelopes with other methods. The envelope system doesn't have to be all or nothing. You can mix it with other strategies. Use envelopes for problem areas like dining out or personal shopping. Use digital tools for fixed expenses. Combine with the zero-based budget for maximum control. This hybrid approach makes the system both practical and powerful. Step 7. Does it still work? The short answer, yes, but with a twist. If you're struggling with overspending, the envelope system works wonders. The discipline it creates is timeless. But in a modern world, physical envelopes may not be practical for everything. The solution is to adapt. Use physical envelopes if you need the pain of parting with cash. Use digital envelopes if you prefer convenience. The principle is what matters. Give every dollar a job and stop when the money runs out. The freedom IT creates. Imagine a future where you allocate every dollar to different envelopes, prioritizing your needs and goals seamlessly. Each envelope represents a commitment, ensuring your hard-earned money works for you rather than against you. With this method, financial stress evaporates, leaving you empowered and in charge of your destiny. The freedom of managing your finances. By embracing the envelope system, you cultivate a sense of discipline and foresight in your finances. It transforms budgeting into a tangible practice, allowing you to navigate your financial landscape with confidence and purpose. Ultimately, this approach leads to a more fulfilling and secure life, free from monetary worries. Final thoughts. The envelope system empowers you to create your unique financial plan. Maybe you prefer colorful envelopes filled with cash or sleek digital trackers that monitor your expenses. Regardless of your choice, the key lies in mindful spending. Ask yourself, does this purchase align with my goals? Each questioning moment reinforces your commitment to financial responsibility, guiding you down a path where every dollar has meaning. Embrace the shift from viewing budgeting as a chore to seeing it as an opportunity for growth. In this new light, you can create a life that honors both your dreams and your fiscal reality. Wouldn't it be liberating to experience that freedom? The journey doesn't end at simply tracking expenses. It's essential to regularly reflect on your financial habits and progress. Set aside time each month to evaluate your spending. Are your priorities aligned with your goals? Adjust your approach as necessary, ensuring you remain flexible and open to change. Remember, financial success is not a race, it's about building sustainable habits over time. By embracing the envelope system, you not only gain control over your finances but also cultivate a healthier relationship with money. As you practice intentional spending, you'll find that financial peace is attainable, allowing you to invest in experiences that truly matter. Ultimately, it's the journey toward financial empowerment that enriches your life. If this video helped you, subscribe to Smart Dollar Mindset. Our mission is to help you achieve financial freedom with smart habits and smart investing. Turn on notifications so you never miss the next strategy that could change your financial future. Start today. Take control. And watch your financial life transform.